My name is Jim Orrin. I'm the Vice President and Chief Financial Officer for Custom Engineering.
My name is Jim Borelli, and I'm Human Resource Manager at Custom Engineering.
My name is Antoine Wells. I'm a welder.
My name is Garrett Neubauer. I'm a machinist at Custom Engineering.
Jeremy Young, painter.
We're located in east side of Erie, 2800 McClellan Avenue. Our production is primarily fabrications, weldments and fabrications, as you see behind me here.
We produce bases and materials for the gas and oil industry. We also produce oil pans for GE's locomotives and a variety of different products. We don't have a product that we manufacture under the custom name. We manufacture for other people. We have customers like GE, Rolls-Royce. There we have a paint department. We have a variety of weld departments because most of our work is welding. And we have a machine shop. We look for individuals who are polite. We look for individuals who will discuss with you, look you in the eye, and answer questions. We look for employees who ask questions. We look for employees who have had some experience. Doesn't always necessarily need to be in the field they're particularly applying for, but some life experiences that help us and help them be able to be successful at Custom. They need to display integrity. They need to display respect for not only fellow workers or fellow friends. They need to have to display some type of understanding and respect for what the needs of the employer is. In educational background, we like to see math skills. They don't necessarily have to be advanced math, but basic math, some geometry helps regardless of what they will do here. We like to have, they need to be able to communicate, certainly, and they need to be able to understand the responsibility of coming to work, being on time, typically things that are given and spoke to in the YES program. I would like to see more emphasis placed on their responsibility to the employer. And I think it needs to be emphasized to the young men and women that there's nothing wrong with a blue-collar type of work. It's honest work, it's good work, and it's family-sustaining work, and I think that needs to be emphasized as well.
I was trained to be a welder. I went to the weld school over here at Custom. I weld platens, and I also weld strainers and the oil pans and other stuff like repairs and stuff like that. I was trained to do what I'm doing now. Like, it was more of working and training at the same time, you know, like on the job. In high school, they give you the bases that you need to get a good start, but once you're done with high school, it's still more to it. It's still more that you got to learn. You know how at Central they had a machine shop? I took that. That helped me with the blueprint reading, also with measuring and doing different angles, you know, because a lot of times I have to fit up stuff and fabricate it. You have to know the right measurements and be able to read a blueprint in order to get it to work to how it's supposed to. So a lot of math and a lot of blueprint reading while I was in high school helped me out with what I'm doing right now. A lot of math is very important. And you also have to know a little bit about the metallurgy too. That's where some metals react differently to different temperatures and how the metal is going to react once you start welding on it. In school, I wish I would have paid attention. You know how they have guest speakers come and talk to the kids and everything? I wish I would have paid attention when they were saying it and not have to go back and do it all over again. That way it wouldn't took so long for me to get into the field that I'm in now. When the people come to your school telling you about different careers or anything that is beneficial to you, pay attention because they've been down that road and they know what they're talking about. The sooner you realize that, the better off in life you'll be. I'm always learning. Like whenever I go over to the other buildings where the other welders are, a little bit more experience, I try to learn as much as I can from them too, you know? Never stop learning.
High school, and then I went to technical school for precision machining at the Ashtabula County Joint Vocational School my junior and senior year. I have to get my paperwork in the morning for the jobs that I'm going to be running. I fill out my inspection reports and have somebody check my work and make sure that my tools are cleaned and calibrated.
How did your education prepare you for the job you have now?
math all through school, and math at the vocational school helped me with reading blueprints and back mathing everything to figure it out the best that you can and giving it 110%. All kinds of work for GE, Rolls-Royce, just about anything, a lot of big stuff. Sole plates, I'm working on mortise brackets right now for Rolls-Royce. We do nozzles for advanced technologies. Reading, yeah, you got to know, who you're making the work for, and science, metals will heat up and change molecular structure, so science does come in handy.
Daily basis come in. I'm a self-starter in the morning. I have a helper with me every morning, and through the day I keep him busy and to keep production going in the paint area. I paint turbine bases, General Electric parts, miscellaneous stuff for the shop. Basically anything they want me to paint, that they can bring it down, I can paint it. I do a lot of measuring and equations for measuring paint, mixing paint. Learn as much as you can in school, because if you don't learn everything you can in school, when you get out into the real world, you just won't know anything. And if you don't have the on-hand experience before you come into a job, you really won't have the skill set you need to do the job you want to do. Wish I would have paid more attention in school. A lot of kids don't like to pay attention in school, and it hurts you later on in life.